Hi parents, tonight's homework is to find all the factor pairs for 24. So I'm going to start by making a factor rainbow. I would list my 1 and my 24. This is the beginning and the end of my range because I know that 1 times 24 equals 24. I also know that 2 times 12 equals 24. And I know that 3 times 8 equals 24. I would look at my 4s next and I think, is there anything times 4 that gets me to 24? I know that 4 times 6 does. Now my range has bumped up to where the only other possible factor pair I could try is 5. I know that 5 doesn't work because anything multiplied by 5 would either end in a 0 or a 5. So 5 can't possibly be a factor of 24. Now, I listed our factors in order in something we call the factor rainbow. But what we would do is they're actually asking us for factor pairs. So I would just take my list, my 1 times my 24. That is one factor pair. It can also be written as 24 times 1. That means the same thing. It still counts for one factor pair, though. 2 times 12. 3 times 8. And 4 times 6. These are all the factor pairs for the number 24. Now the question down here at the bottom says, what is the relationship between 24 and each factor that you listed above? Well, for each of these factors that are listed above, 24 is a multiple of that number. So to answer that question, I would write 24 is a multiple of each of its factors. Hope this helps.